February 4th, 2017. 5 days to go. With every sculpture on every pillar beautifully cleaned and restored, the temple structure itself is ready for the Kumbhabhishekam. Serial lights and light fittings are installed all over the temple to make it look really pretty at night. These continue to throng to the temple, now going through the newly formed queue system. This queue comes through the newly constructed Mandapam, and it has a lot of conveniences for the benefit of devotees. Fans abate the heat, benches are there for them to rest their weary feet, and water from the kolam flows continuously so that devotees might wash their feet before entering the temple. As things get constructed, so they get undone. This mischievous monkey very meticulously goes about removing the plastic wrapping that covers each bulb and then gnaws on the bulb to see if it is something edible. Oh dear, it isn't. On to greener pastures. A tall and formidable ramp rose along the interior wall of the temple. Supported by elaborate scaffolding along the wall, the ramp rose to the top of the Vimanam. It was still under construction and there were a lot of technical considerations. The slope was pretty steep, but it had to be sturdy to hold a lot of people carrying the kalashams up. The ramp provided a bird's eye view of the proceedings. Men were perched here and there, strengthening the structure with coir ropes. From the end of the second landing, one could get a view of the roof of the Gayatri Mandapam and the top of the ultimate destination, the gorgeous golden Kāmākshi Vimanam. The wind seemed to grow stronger as one went higher and higher. This was not a place for the faint hearted. There was hardly anything to hold on to. Above the high, shrill screech of the stone cutting machines and the bluster of the wind, an assessment began on the top of the Vimanam. Looking below, one could see that the roof of the Gayatri Mandapam sloped so that the rainwater would naturally flow into the Panchaganga tank. While the structure was built to hold 50 people, the incredible height, the blustering winds, and the daunting task of an escape in case of danger made it important to pare the people at the top to a minimum.
இது வந்து கரெக்டாக 2 அடி வரும். 2 அடி 2 அடி அப்ராக்சிமேட்லி 3 feet கல்சம். அதனால இங்கே உட்காந்து திறக்க மட்டும் பண்ணுறாங்க. அதனால அந்த மறைக்கு அவங்க கீழே உட்காந்து மறைக்கு.
As one panned from above, the Kumarakotam Gopuram could be seen, as could the Gopuram of the Ekamreshwara temple. The Vastu Mandala Puja was done in the evening, following which the Jagadguru inspected the Yāgashala. The Jagadguru felicitated Subbaya Sthapati and Shiva Sthapati, both of whom have worked tirelessly for the authentic restoration of the sculptures in the temple. The Sthanikas updated the Jagadguru on all the work that had been done. On this Panchasana Peetham, a delicate structure has been built which Periva inspects. It is within this that Devi, Kāmākshi, will come and reside until the Kumbhabhishekam is over.
பெஸ்ட்டு. இது ஒரு யாகசாலையில் வச்சுருந்தோம் நீங்கள்.
His Holiness Bala Parival not only relishes all the sculptures and inspects all the works for its sturdiness and its aesthetic value, he also notices everything. Here he has noticed that right on the ceiling of this beautiful Mandapam, the work has been so delicately executed, and there are different sculptures on different panels right on top. He has a ladder brought, and one of the boys climb up and notices what Balapariva has noticed from below. The rock hangs like a delicate cloth awning with lace edges. Such was the beauty and the art created by our ancestors.